pectoralis major. So that's your pectoralis major. Malapit siya, naka-bulky sa lahat. Okay? Tapos nakadikit sa skin. At nakadikit sa boobs. Okay? Tapos sunod, pag dinissect mo siya, ano yung sunod na makikita mong muscles? Yeah, the pectoralis minor. So you have to take note of the origin and the insertion, which is on the third to fifth ribs. And then, wala lang boses. And then, and it inserts to your coracoid process, this one. So, na-mention ko yung, yung origin and insertion. Important to kasi minsan tinatanggal nila to. So, kasi important sa anatomy, marunong ka tumingin sa clues. Okay? So, ito, natanggal siya. So, important na, minsan kasi yung iba na pagkakamalan ng pectoralis major kasi siya yung pinaka-external. So, you have to look at where it originates and inserts. So, third to fifth and coracoid. So, pectoralis minor siya. And then next, sa likod ng pectoralis minor, you will see your aside from your intercostals, yung mas lateral sa kanya. Yes, that's the serratus anterior. So, to differentiate it from your pectoralis minor, you will see that yung origin niya hindi nag-end sa fifth ribs, kundi nag-end siya sa 8 to 9 ribs pa ang serratus anterior. And your serratus anterior, it does not insert into your coracoid process, but it goes back. Tapos doon siya sa scapula nag-i-insert. Ano ba yung importante sa serratus anterior? It prevents the ringing of your scapula. Okay, so what innervates your serratus anterior?
Long thoracic.
Long thoracic. Okay, so let's go to your intercostal muscles. So we have three majorly, the external, the innermost, and the internal intercostal muscles. So important dito, you have to take note of the orientation, proper orientation muna. Kasi dun pa lang, maraming nagkakamali. Halimbawa, minsan kasi ginaganyan nila. So, pag akala mo ganyan na. So, important pa naman sa intercostal muscles is how the fiber runs, di ba? So, ito, papakita ko sa inyo ito. It runs infero-laterally sa ganyang position. So, maybe baka pagkamalan nyo na siya ang internal intercostals kasi infero-laterally. But you have to take note, dapat ang manubrium nasa superior part siya. So, ayan na. Yan ulit yung tinuro ko kanina. So, ngayon, properly oriented na yung muscle. So, infero-medially siya. So, that would be your external intercostals. Okay? So, next, ano ulit yung infero-lateral? Internal intercostals. So, ito yung internal intercostals mo. Hindi porket nasa surface siya na yung external intercostal mo. So, you have to look at the fibers. Always look at the fibers. Okay? So, at the back, you will see this one. This is your innermost intercostal muscles. So, important to delineate your internal intercostals and their innermost intercostal muscles sa likod kasi pareho silang infero-laterally, di ba? So, ang internal intercostals, hindi niya kina-cover ang buong ribs, di ba? Nag-e-end siya somewhere here. Hindi siya pumunta more medially to the sternum. Okay? So, pag may makita kayo dyan na parang more surface pa yung muscle, so that could be your innermost intercostal. Okay? So, this will be your, internal intercostal. Okay? And lastly, this one, transversus thoracic muscle. So, all your ribs of your muscles function for inspiration. Forced inspiration to elevate your ribs. Except yung interosseous parts ng innermost intercostals and your internal intercostals, which is for depression of the ribs. Okay?
So, punta naman tayo sa diaphragm. Ano ba ang main function ng diaphragm?
Inspiration.
Or respiration. So, another function niya is sa circulation din. It helps bring your venous blood back into the heart. So, kasi ito yung inferior vena cava opening. So, it also separates your abdominal cavity from your thoracic cavity. So, kaya meron siyang thoracic surface or thoracic side tsaka yung abdominal side. Dito sa thoracic side, makikita nyo yung left leaflet, right leaflet, and your middle leaflet. So, what lines your left and right leaflet? parietal zero. How about your middle limb left? Your pericardium. Okay, so what do you call this recess?
Costa diaphragm.
Costodiaphragmatic recess or your costophrenic recess? Kung dito sa gitna,
Costomediastinal.
costomediastinal recess. Okay, so what innervates your diaphragm? That's your motor innervation, phrenic nerve. Anong roots niya? 3, 4, 5. So sensory naman, it includes phrenic nerve, subcostal, tsaka intercostal. Lastly, yung important sa diaphragm din, meron kang 3 openings. Yung mnemonic natin doon is I8, 10 eggs at 12. So, at the level of T8, ito yon, your inferior vena cava opening. At level of your T10, your esophagus. Level T12, your abdominal aorta. So, yun lang naman yung importance sa diaphragm.
Let's go to the bones of the
For
sternum.
openings sa
Ano
diaphragm.
yung function ng sternum? Function ng sternum?
Protects the
Insertion, attachment ng ribs, primarily also protection ng mediastinal viscera. What do you call this bone?
Manubrium.
This notch,
supraclavic.
sternal,
Suprasternal.
suprasternal, or sternal, this notch,
Supraclavic.
clavicular. Anong rib nag-attach dito?
2.
First.
First.
Ay, tama. Anong klaseng joint?
Synchondrosis.
Okay. Ano yung angle na doon?
Angle of movie.
Sternal angle of movie. When you draw a transverse thoracic plane across this, at what level do you end up? D4, D5. Right. And dito yung second rib, right? Tapos, itong level ng sternal body from, ano yung angle, ay level niya? 5 to 9. D5 to 9. Very good. What do you call this one? It's a transverse ridge which marks the fusion or you call it synostosis no sternum brain. Okay, ito yung mga individual bones, so we call them sternum brain. And then, what's the opposite bone?
Xiphoid.
Xiphoid, which is linked to this one by the xiphosternal joint, which is found at what level? D9 to D10. Di ba kasi D5 to D9 to, di ba? Okay, yung xiphoid, so it's variably ossified. So, minsan hindi siya nag-ossified, minsan nag-critical siya dito. So, the same order na is a marker found at naked where you can find the central tendon of the diaphragm, the inferior border of the heart, and the superior border of the what organ?
Diaphragm.
Liver. Okay? So, important clinically is a landmark when you auscultate, palpate, percuss. So, don't forget the sternal angle movie ever and avoid doing CPR on the xiphoid region. Kasi it's avoid the structure.
Avoid?
Right? Yun lang. Do you have questions? None? Alright. So,